What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set up Chase mobile app. So you want to make sure that you're using your App Store or the Play Store to look for the app and download it. Now once you have it, as we do right here, you're going to tap on it to open, and this is what you'll find. Now right here you can choose to sign in if you have an account already, but let's assume you don't, and you're going to tap on sign up. And this page starts the process of setting up your Chase mobile app. There are 5 stages and we're currently on the first one, which is called the basic info. You're going to put in the account type, and there are some account types right here, so you could say personal, and then depending on what account you choose, you're going to have some more options such as your social security number, your account or debit card number, and a username. So once you put all these information, you can tap on next, where you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be required to put in your personal details in order to create or set up your Chase mobile account. Of course, if you have an account already, all you need to do is to tap on sign in, and then you're going to put in your username and password, and in this case, you'll be setting it up as an existing customer already. Don't forget to use a remember me if you'd like to skip some of the security processes, and then tap sign in. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to set up Chase mobile app.